Okay, I've added just a touch of orange to my Pastry Pride to make a flesh color. And I put in my icing tip, my icer tip. And what I'm going to do is just go across, just like this. And we'll smooth this out later on. Actually, I didn't even need to do the top. Get that last little bit out. And then we'll use our spatula to smooth it. I don't really need to smooth the top, only his face here. Looks like I need just a little. I didn't bake too evenly, so I'm going to put a little bit of more frosting on that so it'll smooth out. And I've got it right here. Acer tip just goes faster, fills in the holes faster. Obviously it wasn't squeezing hard enough. There, we'll just put that on there. Okay. I guess we want to get out to the edge here and to the edge on the other side. There we go. Fairly smooth. Except for the hat, that's okay. Okay. What I'm going to do now is divide it up where his hat is. Let me get this cleaned up a little bit right here. There we go. It's all right, we'll smooth that out. And one cup, that's a little high. With our tip 18 and our blue. And our tip 18 and our red. Actually, we can start with the red. What we're going to do is make the stars. Yep. And we're just going to do 3 rows. Guess I could have let this be just a little bit more. 18's not doing such a great job on that. Okay, this is 18 in our white. They're just stars. And then back to our red again. And I'm just doing rows of 3. And then back to our red again. I may make that just a little bit wider there, just because I want to bring it to the edge. Make this white one just a little bit wider. Fudging just a little bit.